Over the years, I created thousands of educational videos, and this is probably going to be the most difficult videos from them all because I need to tell you about myself, and I don't want to do it. But in order for me to gain trust with you, you probably want to know a little bit about me and my achievements, so I'm going to swallow the pill and I'm going to do it. So my business career started when I was about 10 years old. I was a very bad student, had problems in the house with friends everywhere. And I wanted to have some kind of significance. So I tried to open my business. I went to a bakery beside my house. I bought a dozen bagels and I went to a bank in front of the bakery and I sold them those fresh, beautiful bagels, double the price. In few minutes, I was able to double my money and I felt amazing about this achievement. It felt great. And I knew that I'm into the business world for life. After that, I evolved my empire and I sold balloons and I took pictures with Polaroid camera and I tried to get money in any way possible because I felt great and it worked pretty well. After my army service, I had a bunch of money that I saved from those beautiful years. And I knew that I am the best business owner in the world because I already sold balloons, right? So I know everything about business that a business owner needs to know. So I opened my pet shop. That was my first business. And after 6 months, I lost all my investment. And I also lost another $100,000, which back then it was equal to a new apartment. So I just finished my army service. I bankrupt. I have no money. The government and everyone in the world is after me for money. And this is how I need to start my life. It was a very difficult time. Of course, it was also the best time because I grew from that experience. But back then I had basically two options: to kill myself or do something drastic to stop all the madness, or to try to evolve and become more than what I am so I can pay everyone that I owe the money to and start again with a new venture. Eventually, as you understand, I took the other route and I paid my debt after 1 year. The way that I paid my debt was trying to be a little bit creative. I used to be a massage therapist before my army. I learned massage therapy, acupuncture, reflexology, and I knew that I am going to use the only tool that I have, which is massage therapy, but I cannot sell my time because I will need to have 20 years of work in order for me to cover the $100,000 that I owe, plus interest that is growing like crazy. So I went to bars, pubs, clubs, and I offered them massage beds that students will come and give free massage to their clients. And in return, they will pay me for every bed. And the students, the massage students, I offer them access to new clientele. So they will give a massage to new people that will know them. They will get tips, of course, and also if the people that got massage will be happy, they will hire them on a regular basis. And that was a win-win. It got lots of attraction and I got tons of work and my massage beds were all over town. In a year, I was able to cover all my debt and got more money for my next adventure. Over time, I opened more businesses. I started to evolve in my business and my understanding of how things work. And people start to come to me with questions about how to succeed in their businesses. And my role became from a business owner to a business consultant. I also got involved with different failing businesses and I got percentage from the businesses after I was able to revive them and make them successful businesses. I also authored 2 books and multiple training programs, all of them in the IT area. In the past few years, I'm concentrating my power on the Zoho ecosystem. Zoho is a phenomenal system that is inexpensive, and is very robust and dynamic, that's allowing anyone, not only programmers, anyone to control the system and create crazy automations. And this is also why I'm married to this system. I also own a company named Amazing Business Results. And yes, it is amazing. And in this company, we're helping business owners to customize their system and provide them crazy automations so they can have employees working on the important things and not on the copy paste and all the stuff that can be easily automated with less human errors. As for the education part, I am the owner and lead instructor in the Isaac Academy. I also own a YouTube channel that hosts hundreds of videos serving over 30,000 business owners a month. And we're trying to educate the public on how to use Zoho CRM, how to create automations, how to make more money, how to reduce errors, and so on. So it's all connecting to my goal as a human, that one day when I will leave this world, I will know that I was able to make a change and I was able to make this world just a little bit better than the way I came to this world. That's it. That's me. It was a painful video. I don't like to talk about myself. So I hope I did a good job and I gained your trust so you will become part of the Isaac Academy.